I'm so excited to introduce the Smart Woodshop router bit storage. Okay, stop the show. That isn't true. I don't have the Smart Woodshop router bit storage solution. At least it's not mine. I found it and I am going to tell you about it, but it's Keith's. I found Keith over on YouTube at Keith's Test Garage. Found this by accident. I wasn't looking for it, but I found a 13-minute video and I watched it from beginning to end. Not only is he a great woodworker, an engineer designer, but he's also great at making and editing video. It was fun to watch. So I checked out his channel. He's only got 6 videos. He's only been at it a few months, but he's already got almost 4,000 subscribers. And I'm one of them because I'm going to learn a lot from Keith, not only about woodworking and design, but also about doing a better job at editing videos. So I'm going to show you his website. I'm going to show you a clip from this video just to whet your appetite. But I'm going to put a link to it in the description down below. Make sure you go over there, show him a little love, give him a thumbs up, subscribe. It's going to be good for you and it's going to be good for your shop. So before I jump over and show you a little clip, what do you think about when you think about router bit organization? Do you think about a board of some type made from some material with a line of holes that are either 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch or sized for your Dremel tool bits? That's what I think of. That's what I've made in the past. In fact, they're kind of hard to make, tedious, laborious, and I just buy them and they work great or okay. But Keith's idea has not a single hole drilled in it. Let me show what I mean.
Tweaks. And this past weekend, I made the final trays to fit this organizer here. Numbers. The 1/2 inch tray has 63 locations for.
The whole video is like that. He shares exactly how to build it, how to glue up the boards, what material to use, the exact layout, everything you need, you can learn from the video. Hey, if you like me, if I find these ideas and I think they're great like this, do you like me sharing them with you? If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Most important, share it with others. And again, make a comment so that I'll know that, hey, don't waste our time showing us these videos. We can find them on our own. Or, hey, no, this is great. I never saw that. I'm glad you shared it with me. So let me know in the comments if you want me to take a couple minutes and make these videos and share them with you. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. Have a great day.